Hey guys, in this video I will teach you how to post blog in WordPress Elementor website. This is website I created, and here is blog pages, and I create already one blog page. And first you need to log in WordPress website, then enter word username and password. Then I need to log in. Here is WordPress dashboard website, and then first you need to check here all post. Here is blog post. So I already created blog post in WordPress Elementor. So first, if you don't know how to create, then you can check my old videos. I created my full website. So you need to install plugin duplicate. So I already installed in this video. So duplicate plugin is mostly used for duplicate page and duplicate post. You don't need to change new format, etc. So here is my installed plugin. Then activate. So here is all posts. So one post already created, then I am going to duplicate this post. So here is already duplicate and draft mode में, and you can change first. Here is already blog post written. I write here is blog title and content. So first change post name, then here is post name, then you need to change slug. So you can put meta title or blog post title. So here is meta title. Then we need to change, then we can change. So here is then we can change category and tags. So here is slug means URL snippet. Okay, so here is a draft mode. Then I will change, then I am going to change content. So here is edit with Elementor. So here is the content, but here is it's not live, so URL is p like p page id and post id, etc. So here is Elementor loaded. So here is we need to change headings. I already written my blog post. In blog post you need to write meta title, meta description and full page content. So here is change my blog title, then here is short description. It's changed. Then we need to change image. So I'm going to change image. Here is my blog post and image. So here is image. We need to fill image title, image description and all tag, image caption, etc. because we need to optimize image with keywords. So I already written image caption, image title, all tag, and here is all text. So is image optimized, all text metadata. So here is a content we need to update. I am going to fully update this content. So here is a update full. Then we can remove extra content unnecessary. So here is updated my post. Okay, so you can follow my step by step this guide, so you can change. Then I am going to internal hyperlink, so we can update one page. Okay, so here is the internal. Then it's okay, everything okay, but we need to optimize this content like SEO plugin. So here is a SEO plugin, my rank math. So I will update. Okay, it's content update. Now you can click publish, blog will be published, but we need to change SEO. So SEO data is like here is change primary keywords. We need to put primary keyword like study in the UK. Okay, it's SEO score change. Now we need to metadata like meta title and meta description. So here is a meta title. Okay, SEO meta title I already written. Here is a meta title. If you don't know what is meta title and meta description, I will create full videos about this. Meta title and meta description is a search snippet. So here is meta description and URL snippet. Meta title and meta description is very important part of SEO. So every page optimized, we need to update meta title and meta description. Then we need to update canonical URL. So here is a meta description update. Okay, so then we need to update canonical. So here is I'm going to put one more keyword. You can add 5 keywords in this section. Okay, so this is a blog page setting. It's a overview. Okay, now I'm going to update, and it's a social sharing, like it's post overview. Yes, change image. Then I'm going to okay, it's publish. Let me one more thing. It's blog post update, but we need to change a canonical. Okay, so you can check this blog post. Okay, it's update, but one more thing, let me update. It's canonical. So here is a canonical URL. Canonical means create duplication content. So here is canonical. Canonical is most important for URL search engine. So if you don't change canonical, so Google never will be index page. Here is update canonical. Okay, so I updated, it's canonical. So here is breadcrumb title, and it's a SEO part. So if you like this video, thank you.